નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now next exercise 3.3. In the 3.3 it means the divisibility test. The divisibility test we will discuss about our introductions. The divisibility test for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. यहाँ तक हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. 11 का हमने नहीं किया, वो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा. So here is given 3 numbers and check the divisibility test for the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. If your given number is divisible by 2, then you write down here yes. If divisible by not, then write down the no. So now to check the first one, 128 divided by 2. This one is possible or not? So dear students, we will check if any number is divided by 2. तो इट मीन्स लास्ट डिजिट 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 होना चाहिए. कोई नंबर 2 के साथ कब डिवाइड होगा? लास्ट डिजिट 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 हो तब. नाउ चेक इट. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It means 128 divided by 2 possible? Yes. Write down here yes. Right? Then after the 3, it means 128 divided by 3. The 3 divisibility test check करना हो तो in the 3 given number addition of all number, it means 128 addition of all number, 1 plus 2 plus 8, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8 it means 11. Now 11 divided by 3, this one is possible? No. So write down here no. So this number is not divided by 3. Understand? Clear? Then after the fourth one, so in the fourth one, so what is the divisibility for the 4? It means 1, 2 and 8. In the fourth one, 4 में check करना हो तो last 2 digit, here last 2 digit is 28. Now 28 is divisible by 4 is possible? Yes. 7 4s are 28. It means this number is divisible by 4 is possible. Then write down the here yes. Then after the 5 में check करना हो तो last digit या तो 0 होना चाहिए या फिर 5 होना चाहिए. So here 0 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है. It means 5 के साथ divide नहीं होगा. Then after the 6 में करना हो तो if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then and then this number is divisible by 6. 2 और 3 दोनों के साथ divide हो तो ही वो number 6 के साथ divide होगा. Now check 2 yes but 3 no. Then this number is divisible by 6? No. Why? Because here 3 is no, then 6 is also for the no. Then after the 8 is the same for the 4. In the 4 check last 2 digit and in 8 check last 3 digit. This one is also for the 3 digit number. It means 128. Now dear students, check it, the 128 divided by 8 or not. 128 divided by 8 or not. So 128 divided by 8 करते 8 1 जा 8, 4 and 8, 8 6 जा 48. Right? So this one is yes. Then after the 9, 3 and 9 also for the same. 3 and 9 also for the same. So this one is 3 answers. 1 plus 2 plus 8. 1 plus 2 plus 8 means 11. Now 11 divided by 9 is possible? No. So here is write down no. So this number is not divided by 9. Then after the 10 के साथ divide करना हो तो last digit 0 होना चाहिए. So here last digit is, so 128 divided by 10 is possible? No, this one is not possible. Now dear students 11. Okay? 11 में कैसे करते? 1, 2 and 8. This one is our now one. In any numbers divided by 11, divisibility checked. How to? So write down odd place and even place. So first of all odd place, this one is and this one is. This 2 is odd place. Right? 1, 2 and 3. Start here. Huh? Start in this side. 1, 2 and 3. It means this one is odd place and this one is also for the odd place. So odd place में 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is means 9. Then after even में only for 2. Even में only for 2. Okay? Now subtract of these two numbers. It means 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is means 7. If your answer is 0 and 11, then and then this number is divisible by 11. Otherwise not 11. Sorry, otherwise not possible. So 7 0 भी नहीं है और 11 के साथ भी नहीं है. Understand? So this number is not divided by 11. So write down in no. Next to the 990. Now check divided by 2 is possible or not. So here if divided by 2 is possible, it means last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here is 0 is possible given. So yes. 990, this one is divided by 3. The 3 cases divided by addition of all the numbers. It means 9 plus 9 plus 0. 9 plus 9 is means 18. 18 divided by 3 is possible? Yes. So write down here, yes. This number is also for the divided by. Now divided by 4. So 4 is means last 2 digits check. So here given a 990. 990. It means last 2 digit only for 90. 90 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 1 and 0. 4 2 ja 8. And here is 2. So 90 divided by 4 is possible? No, this one is not possible. So this number is divided by 4 is not possible. So write down here no. Then after the 5, if any number is 5 divided by, if last digit is 0, then 5, then this number is divisible by 5. So here is 0 is given. So write down 5 के साथ divide होगा? Yes. Then after 6, 2 और 3 दोनों के साथ होना चाहिए. So here 2 is yes, 3 is yes, then 6 is also for yes. Right? Understand? Clear? Then after the 8, 8 for the same one. Here is 4 in the last 2 digit. In the 8 is last 3 digits, 990, 8, 8 1 ja, 8, 1, 9, 8 2 ja, 16, 3 and 0 down. Now 8 के टेबल में कहीं पे भी 30 आता नहीं है, तो this number is not divided by 8. So write down here no. Okay? Then after 9, same for the 3. Here is 9 plus 9 is means 18. 18 divided by 9 is possible? Yes. So this number is also for the divided by 9 is possible. Write down here. Yes. Then after the 10, 10 के साथ divide करना हो तो last digit 0 होना चाहिए. Here is given last digit 0. So this number is divisible by 10 is possible? Yes. Write down here yes. And the last one is 11. One more times, if you are not understand, the one more time I will explain. So dear students, 990, this 2 is odd place value and this one is even place value. First of all, odd place value 0 plus 9 is means 9 and the even place value is means only for 9. Then after subtraction is this 2, it means 9 minus 9. Answer is 0. If your answer 0 and 11, then this number is divisible by 11 is possible. तो हमें यहाँ पे आंसर 0 मिला है. It means 990 is divided by 11. This one is possible. Yes, this one is possible. Then write down here yes. Okay, understands? Then after our last one, 1586 divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 checked. Now let's start. So first of all, here is given 6. Divided by 2 is possible? Yes. Then after the 3 is means check all the digit. It means 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is means 14. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is means 20. 14 plus 6 is means 20. Now 20 divided by 3 is possible? No. Write down here no. Then after 4 means check last 2 digit. Last 2 digit here 86. Now 86 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8 0 and 6. 4 1 ja 4 2. Not divide. So write down here no. 5 के साथ divide होगा. If your any number is divided by 5, then last digit 0 और 5 होने चाहिए. 0 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है. So also for no. Then after 6, 2 और 3 दोनों के साथ होने चाहिए. यहाँ पे दोनों के साथ नहीं है. So 6 के साथ भी नहीं है. 8, check last 3 digit. In the year last 3 digit 586. Now check 586. 586 divided by 8. 8 7 जा 56. 2 and 26. 8 के टेबल में कहीं पे भी 26 नहीं आता है. So this number is not divided by 8. Write down here also for the no. Then after the 9 is the same for the 3. So here addition, this one is 3. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, it means addition of all number. Addition of all number is 20. Now 20 divided by 9 is possible? No. So this number is also for the no. Then after the 10 के साथ divide करना हो तो last digit 0. Here is not given a last digit 0. So 10 के साथ भी नहीं होगा. Now 11. So 11 के साथ divide करना हो तो 1, 5, 8 and C. So dear students, here this 2 is the odd number and this 2 is the even number. Now odd number 5 plus 6, even number 8 plus 1, 5 plus 6, it means 11, 8 plus 1, it means 9. Now subtract these two, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9, it means our answer is 2. आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, या तो 0 या फिर 11. तो here answer is 2. So this number is divisible by 11 is possible? Not possible. So write down here no. So understand students how to check the divisibility test of the different types of the number. Okay, now to the next one.
Thank you for joining us.